Okay.
Little drawing going, you know? Yeah. That's what it is, man. Word up, A$AP Rocky. What up, my nigga?
Count down the
Venrap.
Count down the Armageddon.
Venrap. Radio.
Yeah, welcome to the Venrap Radio. Ndingazina kadwani duka nswana ni ngwana ndo mangoni. Hey, dzikubuya banda. Okay, I kind of get a lot of questions always. Like, what do you think about this whole thing? Livhu, that and that. And you know, it's crazy how sometimes, most of the time, I don't like that. That's not my space. That's not what I'm supposed to be saying, like attacking, arguing, and all that. Kongwanamus. I try and keep my distance from all those news, that's quite there. Talking about the bullying, because recently someone was like, okay, he's busy bullying Henrik Makui on social media. But you look at it again, who's bullying who? Because if you all both guys are arguing on social media, I'm not saying just Livhu alone. I'm not just saying Henrik. I'm not just saying DJ Luke, something like that. I'm talking about all of you, because if we talk about who's bullying who, you all bullying each other. Ngonanga says the one or matambo no vada man. Uva matamba ne chipinga ya dusori heaven. Namazino na matamba mangapa kongwan. Because the moment you post something, you all jump in there, and then when you jump in there, it's all about random movies, random moves, and you piggery. Wait, sometimes when I listen or Aquambana's YouTube and I will read what people are posting, you're like, do you guys even understand how smart this guy is when it comes to social media? Because mostly you guys fuel everything he posts. You make sure that whatever's now comes on, is now posters on, it trends. So at the end of the day, you guys are the one that are building everything, the one that are pushing all this drama. Nisia hobe wewa nina kujia na ivea hapo hunena kugunguluri why akuita zoso, but you part of it kongwan. I did see wangwako dia operation unfollow him, like unfollowed you, but at the end of the day, you pick up uri ahuna na unfollow ni akuita. People are saying what they're saying on social media, but again, they're right there. They're right there now. They're busy jumping up and down with him. I don't confess. It's all drama in a equal guy, because like I try and understand. Come on. Like right now, I'm looking at this picture that says like what do you mean? Like you have photoshopped him with like it's a woman. So I'm saying all these kind of things never go compulsory. So this, at the end of the day, how I see it is that you are both in the back and forth. Ni pedzani kofana. Ngubo sina ngubo ntsusi na ngubo chena. Ngori ndibona kufuela the drama. Ndibona kufuela Porsche, the trends na mini, and Livhu knows how to attach himself to all these trends. He's good at that. He just get that trend and makes it work for him. You go and check out the channels, the YouTube. You go and check out everything the post. You check the numbers. Who's pushing it? Who's making it relevant? So when people ask questions on what I think about all those things, I just look at it like, guys, that's none of my business, man. Sometimes it's not everything that you must find me jumping into, because you guys are busy with it. You're the ones that argue and all that. But you'll be asking, what do you think? What do I think about what? Because I'm not the one that is busy there on his comments. You're the one that are there. One. So sometimes when you meet people or Majida, because Majida don't aren't the one when I try to do the most. When you look at it, yo. They're always asking, they're always talking, they're always in his comments. It's like sometimes you ask yourself, like, yeah? Okay, damn it, a bit. So that's not really my space. What you guys are doing is what you're doing. and you enjoying it in the jungle semana niko argue nduri do a lot go the drama nduri go trendy, you wanna mean, and it works for him. It works for him to win. And then when he wins, you guys are just saying whatever you're saying, and he keeps on winning. You growing his brand, whether there's no company that want to attach themselves with. But what you don't understand is when it comes to companies can just jump into you, because it doesn't matter how negative people are writing, but they'll look at the graph where people are talking about the most. It's out there, and people wanna be part of what he's doing, because like it or not, be part of what he's doing. Sorry about that. So if you're part of what he's doing, you're already putting him out there. So companies don't care. They want to make money. And if they want to make money, let me tell you, they can make terms and whatever they're going to say, that's going to work for them. So when they speak to him, they know what they're doing. Around the brand is our local, I mean. Come on. They want to be out there. Who got the major following? Who got people talking? It's the dude. Definitely now, you all going to be pushing the same brands. Whether you're criticizing, you're saying what you're saying, you definitely going to be pushing the brand. So, what's going on? They attach it to any trend and makes it work for him. And that's what he does. Come on. I mean, you all jump into every single thing that he does. Oh, shit. Like, and then you got him to dress up like a woman. Like, now that picture's trending. The more it's trend, the more the numbers grow. So, who's winning, who's losing? Let's look at that. The dude is smart when it comes to all these things. Yeah, he does make mistakes, he does flops sometimes. Sometimes he just goes on and say whatever he's saying, and and then you look at like, oh shit, he's gonna fall. Next thing, he got another thing coming. So yeah, man, just look at the whole thing. Maybe we're not seeing it in the Fana, but Nediji says that he keeps on winning because he knows how to play the game and he knows how to position himself. And it's easy for you guys to keep on bringing out stories. This happened, but numbers are growing. I don't know jiki. No, we're gonna unfollow, but you still right there. Come on. Yeah, man. So before I leave, just make sure that you stay safe, sanitize, take care, and make sure that the life is good. Rikasama zuinoti. Enda yando.
Venrap Radio.
Yeah. You can call me Ella. Yo,
Bam Bam Pan this one.